In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place an order on Printify. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive in. So first things first, you need to head over to the Printify website. If you're not already signed up, you'll want to create an account. It's a straightforward process. Just enter your details, confirm your email, and you're all set. If you already have an account, simply log in. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Here, you'll see various options to manage your products and orders. To start placing an order, you'll want to navigate to the Catalog section. This is where you'll find a wide array of products you can customize. When you're in the catalog, take a look around. You can search for specific items, or you can browse through the different categories available, such as apparel, home goods, and accessories. Let's say you're interested in t-shirts. Click on the apparel category, and then select t-shirts. You'll see a selection of t-shirts to choose from, all customizable to fit your design idea. Once you find a t-shirt you like, click on it. This will take you to a product customization page. Here, you can upload your designs, change colors, and add any other modifications you need to make it your own. If you're uploading a design, ensure it meets Printify's file specifications to avoid any issues when placing your order. Make sure your image is high quality for the best print results. After you've customized your product to your satisfaction, it's time to move forward. Click on the Save Product button. This will not only save your design, but also take you to the next step where you can add the product to your store if you have one set up. Now, we're almost ready to place your order. If you belong to a store ecosystem, like Etsy, Shopify, or WooCommerce, you can seamlessly connect your Printify account to your store. This means you can directly sync your customized products. For now, let's talk about ordering directly through Printify. To place an order for that t-shirt, navigate to the My Products section from your main dashboard. You should see the product you just customized in the list. Click on it to open the product page. You'll find an option that says Order Sample. This is a great way to check the quality of the product before you sell it to others. When you click on Order Sample, a new page will open where you can review your product specifics again. Ensure that all the details like size, color, and design are correct. If everything looks good, proceed to the next step by clicking Continue to Shipping. Here, you'll need to enter your shipping address. Be sure to double-check that your address is accurate to avoid any delivery complications. After inputting your address, click on Continue to Payment. You will need to enter your payment information here. If you've already set up a payment method, it will give you the option to use that. Otherwise, you'll need to enter your credit card details. Once you've filled in your payment information, review everything one last time. Make sure the shipping address is correct, the product details are right, and that your payment method is set up to avoid any hiccups. When you're satisfied, click the Submit Order button. Congratulations! You've just placed an order on Printify. Shortly after, you should receive a confirmation email with all the details of your order. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding the shipping status. And that's it! Now you know how to place an order on Printify. It's a simple process that allows you to create custom products and order samples to ensure that everything looks just how you envisioned. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy printing!